Something real funny happened today. So y'all know how we are. We roll with our driver shirts on, and I appreciate everybody out there who's been ordering these shirts lately. I've put out about 6 of these orders in the past week. I'm glad you guys are going out there promoting yourself, letting people know you're an independent contractor in the comments all the time, because you know riders are watching this too. Put your state, let them know you're for hire. That's what I say. People will contact you. If you want to put your email address, knock yourself out. Whatever it takes for you to get the information out there to let people know you're for hire in their state. Here's how you contact me. This is my email. If you got a business phone number and you want to put your business phone number on there, hey, it's up to you. I'm not telling you what to do, but I'm just saying, always market yourself. You're an independent contractor. Nobody's marketing you better than you. Get out there and get this money. But I want to tell you something funny that happened today. So I was in the bed, I'm waking up in the morning, getting all my stuff ready. Jamil hits me up. And I never answer the phone, but I'm like, Jamil's calling. It must be something going on. Because he always texts me. He never calls. It must be something going down. Pick up the phone. What's up, bro? He's like, wake your ass up. He knew I was sleeping. So I'm sitting there cracking up, like, what? He says, dude, I just sent you some pictures. I was like, what happens is you won't believe this shit. He's like, man, Highway Patrol came to the airport parking lot where all the rideshare drivers are. Highway Patrol. He says, bruh, you should have seen the people flocking out of here. He said they scattered like roaches. I was like, what is Highway Patrol doing over there? He says, I don't know. He said, I think somebody's, in the background saying what's going on at the airport. He says, Highway Patrol came on the lot. I ain't never seen Highway Patrol on that. I've been doing this for 5 years. Highway Patrol, I've never seen. Me, personally, if you have seen it, that's on you. I live by the airport. I'm always at the airport. I see Phoenix police at the airport. Phoenix police is there. The Highway Patrol don't come there. And it's funny because I'm always hearing drivers talk about how these immigrants are flying down the highway trying to hurry up and get back to the airport before they lose their space when they phone and all that crazy shit going on there. They're flying down the airport, getting off at Washington, and I think Highway Patrol probably caught one of them. It caught them speeding through there. It's like, hey, they're flying down the highway trying to get back to the lot. They sitting at the lot now. And I think they got radios going back and forth saying which cars they're looking for because they're all speeding, coming through, flying to get off Washington so they can get back to that lot or whatever. Jamil was like, man, they scattered like roaches. As soon as that Highway Patrol truck pulled in there, he was rolling laughing. I was like, good shit. So, hey, I appreciate whatever's going on at that lot right now to keep that shit clean. And it's funny because the queue dropped. He said as soon as they left, the queue dropped about 30, 40 cars. He was on Uber Black. He said Uber X and all, he said it dropped about 30, 40 cars. The moment they all took off, the whole queue just dropped. So that lets you know there were phones in that car. Whatever cars left, there were phones in those cars. Because how did only a handful of cars shoot out of there and all of a sudden all these numbers just drop out of the queue? It's 11:30 at night, Friday night, 11:30. 156 cars in the Uber X queue on 19 flights. Look at this. Black only got 21 to 25, SUV 11 to 15, Comfort 66 to 70, Uber XL 46 to 50, Uber X 156 to 160 on Uber X. Now let's go look at the Lyft queue and see what Lyft is doing over here on this side. That's crazy. That's only the black drivers right there. That's only 21 to 25, 16 to 20. I gotta drop down a tier to see how exactly. Let me drop down a tier real quick. Okay, now watch this. Let's see how many we got in the lot. Now 66 to 70. So 66 to 70 over here. 26 to 30 Comfort, 21 to 25. XL 26 to 30. But look at that. 151 to 155. It dropped 5 cars. 19 flights landed. That's it. 19 flights. So you telling me you got over 200 something cars on this side, plus you got all these Lyft cars. A lot of them are the same drivers because some people who drive Lyft also drive Uber, so they could be the same cars. But that's crazy. You're getting 68 rides an hour over here on Lyft side, 68 rides an hour, 4 rides an hour on XL, 1 ride an hour black SUV. That's it. This is crazy. Let's go back over here. I don't know how many rides they're saying people get. Demand is really low. So you got that many cars over there. This is crazy. Crazy. Yeah. Isn't this a long wait? 30 plus minutes to pick up. So you got 151 cars that's gonna be over there waiting 30 minutes just for a pickup. Yeah, that ain't happening. That ain't happening. That tells y'all. And a lot, oh, they're only doing Uber Black. They're not doing that. You don't know what you're talking about, Jeff. Bruh, we're not stupid. You're not selling me no narrative. You sound like the person that ride around with a mask on in a car by yourself. I'm not listening to you. You are a solo mask wearer. I don't fuck with you. So when people tell me, oh, it's not Uber X, Jeff, you don't know. All I think about is this is the type of person that wears a mask in the car by themselves. Because how you going to sit up there and see some shit with your own eyes? See numbers with your own eyes, looking at cars in the parking lot with your own eyes. But then you got this solo mask wearing mother. You don't know what you're talking about. I know it's 40 cars in front and it's 120 on the app, but it's only on Uber Black. It's not X. We're talking about the XQ. What are you talking about? You just said there's 40 cars in the XQ, but there's 120 cars on the phones in the queue. But yet you're saying it's not X. Like I said, some people wear a mask in the car by themselves. These are those type of people. I don't listen to them. You hear the motherfuckers talking, but I'm like, bro, you in the car by yourself, scared to get yourself sick. You wearing a mask by yourself. You sick of yourself, dog. Get the fuck off me, man. Go on somewhere. But I hope you guys are out there making money today. Today I got profit rights. Like I said, I put something in my membership group. And if you're in my membership group, you know what I'm talking about. Something good happened yesterday to me. It's a lot of shit I don't put out here because, like I said, the channel was growing a little too fast for my comfort. It's a bunch of haters on here. Even if they don't sub, the haters are just coming out of the woodwork. Because one day I had about 16,000 views on my channel in one day. It's never like that. I used to get about 8,000, 9,000. So twice as many people came to my channel one day. My subs didn't go up like that. Subs are running about the same. But for all these people to come to my channel and they're looking and they're hating and they're saying shit, I don't like that energy. And y'all know when I created my membership group page, I said why I was creating it. The day I created, I said I'm creating it because I want to harness good energy. I want to harness progressive contractor energy going forward. That's why I started the membership group. For people who I know don't want to support me, they just coming over here to fuck with me. People who support me, they're in that group. People supporting the content, hoping I build better content, hoping I'm out there. Instead of taking my time to make money, I'm in here editing. Because I told y'all, I can make $30 on a ride for 3 miles, but I choose to make $30 per day on YouTube. $30 per day don't pay my bills. So I stay in the street. But if I'm in the street, I can't make content. So I'm doing the best I can do. Y'all know I just bought this big ass truck, so I got shit to pay off. I'm not like Tristan, oh, I don't got no car though.
And that's because Tristan doesn't have a car payment.
Motherfucker, that's not me. So I'm out in these streets making this money, but I do want to slow down every once in a while, make this content. I appreciate my membership group. Everybody in there. There's about 70 of us in there now. I'm supposed to go and do a screenshot to trap all of that so I can put it on my next video. So everybody in the membership group, you guys, I will showcase a video just for y'all because that's how much I appreciate y'all. And it's going to be historic on this channel. Once I put it in my catalog, it's locked in. So all you members in my membership group, I'm going to give y'all a special shout out. My next video, I'm going to make sure it's all about y'all because y'all making sure this shit's all about the content. Y'all, giving me $1 a day, 50 cents a day, whatever your rate is. I appreciate it. It's helping me out. I mean, you giving me 2 quarters a day. That shit helps me out a little bit because it helps me sit here and do this content. Everybody else that's out there driving, trying to put us down, tell us not to make money, tell us to stay on the plantation, tell us to do things the plantation way. The plantation is telling us policies that they don't even abide by. Y'all know I'm completely opposite of that. I'm hoping you guys are successful in whatever you choose to do, whether it's delivery, whether it's rideshare, whether you go back to a W-2. I'm hoping you survive in whatever you do. A lot of haters come on this channel. They don't want to see us survive at what we do. They want to tell us what to do. And if we don't do what we do, then they hope we fail doing this. That's their whole motive. And when I see shit like that, y'all know me. Block ban, motherfucker.
Block ban.
Y'all out of here. Because if you ain't here supporting his energy, then I gotta, like I said, I play bouncer on this channel. And I don't give a fuck what people say. Well, we have a right to speak. And I got a right to block. Why you think YouTube gave me that shit? I don't care about you being here. I care about the quality of people I got here, not the quantity of people I got here. I want people that's willing to help the next man that they see falling. That's what I want. Don't see a man falling and be like, oh, the reason why you falling is because you stupid, see? That's why you're wearing the wrong shoe, you stupid. No, be like, hey, bro, Hey, I see you falling. Let me pick you back up. Hey, man, you okay? You good? Let me dust you off. What was you doing, man? Oh, you was doing that? Okay, cool. Let me tell you how you was doing this. That's who I'm looking for on this channel. I'm not looking for no 100,000 sub channel because I don't think there's 100,000 good motherfuckers out there that act like we do. If I got 10,000, 15,000, I'm cool. Shit, I'm almost at 10 now. And I know all the 10 ain't all good. But these motherfuckers are shutting up. At least they ain't fucking up my flow. Because y'all know how I go. When I'm doing my live stream, you fuck up my flow, you fucking up my comment energy, you doing something like that, I'll block ban your ass. Because y'all know what room y'all just walked into. Take that shit to another channel.